Hello everyone. So if you want to use gestures on your Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE, you're to follow the simple steps. So first of all, let's open up the settings on our device. Now you're to scroll down to your additional settings on the left side of your screen. Choose your additional settings. Now find your gesture shortcuts, and here you'll find a list of available gestures that can be enabled for convenient device usage. Let's start with the first one, is launch Google Assistant. Let's tap on it. So as you see, it's already activated. If you want to deactivate or activate it, simply tap on the switch. And what it does now, if we're gonna hold our power button, which is located at the top of our tablet, right? If we're gonna press and hold it for half a second, we're gonna activate our Google Assistant. Let's go back, and the next thing is our screenshots. So let's choose this section, and here we have two options, and as you see, they're already enabled. So the first one is slide with 3 fingers down, and as you see, the screenshot was made. And the alternative of it is to press the volume down button, volume down right here, and your power button, as I already showed you. So you're to press those buttons simultaneously, and it will capture the screen just like this. All right, let's go back and let's go to our launch camera. So here are our camera options. Let's activate both of them. So the first one is activates the camera when you double press on the power button. So simply double press your power button, and as you see, the camera application was just activated. All right. And as for the second one, once again, additional settings, gesture shortcuts, launch camera. And as for the second one, is to double press volume down button when the screen is locked. So let's do this. As you see, our screen is locked. We want to activate it and double press the volume down button. It launches the camera. This can be really handy if you need to take photo instantly without unlocking the device. All right. And now, as for the gesture navigations in general, if you prefer gesture navigations over your buttons, once again, open up your settings. You're to find your home screen, and in your home screen, you're to find your system navigation tab. Open it up, choose gestures, and now we'll be prompted to go through a little tutorial. Let's do this. Press learn. So to go to the home screen, we're to swipe up from the lower edge of the screen, just like this. Press next. So to open up your recents, you're to swipe up from the lower edge of the screen, pause and rest your finger. Next. To go back, you're to swipe from the edge to the center of the screen, so left edge or off the right edge, doesn't matter. Press got it. Let's try it out. So first of all, let's go to our home screen. Just like this. To open our recent apps, you're to swipe from the bottom and hold your finger for a second, then release it. Opens up our home screen. And to go back, you're simply to swipe from the edge of your screen. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.